students, once again welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malda online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, today we are going to learn 5th standard English subject lesson number 5, the 12 months. Student, in previous lecture we start this lesson, the 12 months, and we see in this lesson there is one stepmother and her two daughters. What is the name of two daughters? Two daughters' name is Morokula and Helena. So student, Morokula is very poor and very beautiful daughter and very beautiful girl, and she doing all housework. But Helena is very lazy girl and she did not completed any work, always lazy. But one day her stepmother and Helena decided to Morokula goes to the forest, and they said, go Morokula and bring some violets. So now in previous lecture we see Morokula is went to the forest and find some violets. But now we see what happened in this lesson. So now you see in your textbook. Student, now you see in your textbook page number 8, lesson number 5, the 12 months. At last she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow which came from the top of a mountain. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. 3 of them had snow white beards. 3 were not so old, and 3 were still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. So student, in previous lecture we see Morokula went into the forest, and there is a very cold, there is all forest snow, so there is a very cold atmosphere, and Morokula is very hungry, and she also trembling with cold. So when he wandered here and there all forest, at lastly she saw a light in the distance. Light in the distance means distance means at a lot distance means at a far distance she saw light, and she went towards the glow. She went towards the glow means now she started to go towards that glow. Glow means student, glow means light. This is she saw light and she go towards the glow means light, which came from the top of a mountain, and that glow, that light came from the top of a mountain. A big fire was burning there. So student, a big fire was burning top of a mountain. So she looked at the light to mountain, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. And when Morokula goes to the light, at that time she saw there is a 12 stones, and there is a 12 men sitting on the 12 stones. So student, which 12 stones or which 12 men? So these 12 men are 12 months. So which months? So first is January, February, March. So it is December means all these months are 12 stones, and these 12 men are sitting. So 3 of them had snow white beards, and 3 were not old means 3 of them had snow white beards means they are old, and they were not so old means 3 are at the medium age and 3 are old and 3 were still younger and 3 are younger, and the 3 youngest were the handsomest. And which are younger? These men are looking handsome. So they were not speaking, and these all are not speaking, but all these men are sitting silently. So student, in previous lecture we see this is a imaginary poem, imaginary story, imaginary lesson. So these men are like 12 months, and they are sitting silently, not speaking anyone. But these 12 men were the 12 months. Great January. So student, January comes first in all months. So it is called Great January. Great January sat highest of all. So January is highest. She is very aged. So it is highest of all. And his hair and beard were as white as snow. So student, January month's hair and beard, because he was old, so his hair and beard were as white as snow, and his hand he held a club. So student, what is the meaning of club? So in this lesson, club means a heavy stick. So in Great January's hand he held a one heavy stick. So student, you understand up to here? So now see next paragraph. Morukula was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror. But growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." So student, now Morukula was frightened. See all these men and stones and fires. So she become a frightened. Means student, Morukula feels frightened. She feels fear. So she stood still for a time in terror. So terror means also fear. Means she could not able to speak any word. But after some time, but growing bolder. But after some time, she overcome her fear and she went up to them. Means she go forward and ask them very politely. "Please, kind sir, let me warm my hands at your fire." Means she asked permission very politely. "Please, kind sir, let me warm my hands." Why she asked permission? Because there is a very cold. She now need to some warmth. So she asked all these months, all these men, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." Then Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" Then Great January nodded. Nodded means student, Great January gives her permission, only moving his head up and down. Then Great January only move his head means up and down, and means gives her permission and ask her, why have you come here, my dear little girl?" And he asked very politely, very loudly, "Why you come here, my dear little girl? And what are you looking for?" And Great January asked some questions. "What are you looking for? Why are you come here?" Okay. Now, what Morukula says? See, "I am looking for violets," answered Morukula. Then Morukula is very politely answer, "I am looking for violets." Means I find some violets, so I come here in this forest, in this very cold atmosphere. Okay student, you understand up to here? So student, in next lecture we see Morocula brings violets or not bring violets. Okay, and what happened with her? Okay, student. So, in next part of this lesson, we see in next lecture. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.